Have you ever pondered what it takes to cultivate a happier brain? Amidst a sea of research and suggestions, we've distilled a handful of actionable steps for you. Why not kickstart your journey to brain health? With consistent aerobic exercise, engaging in at least 30 minutes of aerobic activity 3 times a week not only boosts your blood circulation to the brain but also sharpens your learning abilities. But here's a thought: can laughter, as simple as it sounds, significantly impact your brain health? Laughing out loud 3 times a day could be a game changer, triggering the release of beta endorphins that elevate your mood and soothe pain. Moreover, granting your brain brief periods of rest throughout the day, perhaps by listening to tranquil music or meditating, could rejuvenate your mental health. And have you considered the profound impact of performing a kind deed daily? Such actions delight the brain, fostering a sense of pleasure. Embracing gratitude frequently activates your brain in remarkable ways, enhancing your mood and overall happiness. Furthermore, setting meaningful life goals and shifting towards positive thinking can also pave the path to a more fulfilled and happier brain. We invite you to explore these practices in your daily life, gradually incorporating them to discover what best suits you. Could these strategies be the missing pieces in your quest for a happier, healthier brain? Join us as we delve deeper into these fascinating topics and more. Don't miss out on uncovering the secrets to a more joyful mind and life. Remember, your journey to a happier brain starts with a single step. Why not make that step today? Subscribe and revisit our channel for insights that could transform your mental well-being. Let's embark on this journey together, shall we?